Hi everyone, this is Nihika. I take care of marketing for digital engineering services at Sutherland. Today I'll be talking to you about why account based marketing is important. Account based marketing is not really a new term, it's been around for some time. But the reason why we are hearing about it so much lately is because of the shift in strategy with the businesses. Businesses are now looking for increasing their share of wallet with their current customers because of the high cost of acquisitions that are associated with going after new customers. And this is one of the biggest reasons why account based marketing has become very important. The other reason is also the ask for customer centricity or the need for customer centricity, because it's only by understanding your customer needs and creating messages that resonate with them that you will be able to gain their mind share. With the market being so crowded and so much of noise around, it's become more and more important to really penetrate that noise and get to your customer with the message that you want them to hear. And that is where account based marketing really helps. Account based marketing is also important because, there are so many budget cuts that are happening, right? And as marketing leaders, a lot of you will know about it. And what happens is, you have very limited budget, you have very limited resources, then why cast a wider net and go after everything around the world? Instead of that, an account focused approach can let you really reach the audience that you really truly want to focus on and build relationships, long term relationships that will yield results. The other thing account based marketing also does is brings an alignment between sales and marketing so that they are working towards the common goal, and which is really beneficial for the business because then you can see a better ROI for the spend that you're making. So account based marketing, it's not just about lead generation, it's about building relationships, very deep seated relationships with your customers, the customers which are strategic and important for your business. And nowadays, businesses want partners, they don't want service providers. And by showing them that you understand their businesses and by creating those touch points and those messages which resonate, you are actually showing them how close you are to their vision. And that is when they truly see you as a partner. That is why ABM can actually let you move towards combined effort or can help you work towards a joint vision that your customer and you can craft together for a mutual benefit.